exercise 3.5. Question number first. X equal to a t square and y is equal to a 2a t. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to t. dy by dt of x is equal to a as it is, constant term है बाहर है, derivatives of theta square. So a as it is, theta square. Okay, it means x square. बोला x चा स्क्वेअर काय येतो, कुठला फॉर्म्युला येतो, x raised to n is equal to n x raised to n minus 1 2t. So final answer is 2at. So एक नंबर देऊया त्याला. त्यानंतर येऊया सेकंड वन. डिफरन्शिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t. dy by dt of y is equal to 2a constant है बाहर है, t चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, so 2a as it is. Derivatives of t is equal to 1. आपण त्याला काय लिहूया, सेकंड इक्वेशन. आपल्याला काढायचं काय, dy by dx इक्वल टू dy by dt अपॉन dx अपॉन dt. So dy by dt is equal to 2a upon dx upon dt is equal to 2at. So a get cancel, 2 get cancel. So final answer is 1 upon 2. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay.